What's going on, everyone? I'm Rob Richards with Blue Star Nutraceuticals, and welcome back to this week's Faster Fat Loss Workout, where in today's metabolic type training, I'll be answering the one thing that you're probably doing wrong in your fat burning workouts, and more importantly, how to fix it. More on that later. For now, all you need to know is we'll be combining some resistance, compound type explosive dumbbell movements with some high intensity cardio based movements, utilizing both muscle energy and fat energy to accelerate our fat burning and trigger that afterburn effect. Let's dive right in and check out our first exercise combo. So for our first combo, we've got 15 reps of explosive dumbbell presses combined with 30 seconds of jump rope. 60 seconds rest, and we're gonna repeat that one more time. So let's get started on our first exercise. "30 seconds, it goes by pretty quick, but you definitely notice your heart rate starting to elevate. And that's gonna be a key factor within this style of training. We wanna be working within about 80 to 85% of our max heart rate. And to establish that, it's really simple. 220 minus your age. So if you're around 40, that gives you 180, 153, or let's call it 155. So if you're using a heart rate monitor or checking your pulse, that's around the level that you wanna be at the end of your cardio stint. Let's get it. What's up, guys? I'm Rob Richards, here to let you know that we're not just a YouTube channel. We're actually an award-winning supplement brand with over 15 years of experience. And these free workout videos are just another tool to help you reach your fitness goals. So if you're looking for research-proven supplements to help burn fat and build muscle, hit the link below. But first, let's get back to that workout. Ooh. Look, that's one way to increase the effort of your cardio. Jumping rope, it's a great piece of cardio, and you can change the intensity really based on how quickly your feet are moving. At first, I'm keeping it quite light. I'm not lifting my feet up too hard, but then towards the end, I know I've got a little bit more left energy to give, so I bring my knees up higher. It increases my output. I'm burning more calories and breathing deeper, and that's a level that you really need to decide. Here we are, combo number 2. For this, we've got 15 reps of explosive bent over dumbbell rows. Real focus on squeezing the center of the back, and then, no surprises here, back on the jump rope, 2 rounds of 30 seconds. Here we go. Now, I want to point out that in each combo, even though I'm replicating the same jump rope, I'm increasing my effort, my output, bringing my knees higher, the rotations are going a little bit faster. Essentially, I'm challenging myself and pushing myself harder on the cardio aspect in each round. And that leads on to really answering what this video is all about. What's the one thing that most likely you're doing wrong in your fat burning efforts? And that is focusing on steady cardio. By steady state, what I'm referring to is performing cardio for a duration of anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes and longer, even up to an hour. Yes, you're burning calories during that time, but what you're really doing is getting your body to be more efficient at performing that same task, which means over and over again, your body is actually going to be burning less calories and therefore less fat. These types of workouts, these metabolic training type workouts, means that we're combining resistance based compound explosive movements to work the muscle, and then without any rest, jumping on some cardio for some high intensity interval training. So together, these resistance and cardio based training come together to form a really powerful combo that will help accelerate your metabolic rate, which really means you're going to burn calories for long after this workout is done. And that is the answer to really what this video is all about. Let's keep things moving. Move on, check out combo number 3. Here we are, combo number 3. We have explosive dumbbell squats, 15 reps. And for this, you'll see I'm using the same weight, but I'm putting that effort in to really commit to those 15 reps. And then, look, no surprise, back on the jump rope. 30 seconds, and I encourage you to push yourself. Get your heart rate up there, hold it for those 30 seconds, and then we've got a rest to be able to recover and go all over again. So let's get to it. Keep that workout going, keep it alive, and just stay committed to it. Combo 3, circuit number 2, let's win. Whew. There we go, guys. That is the end of today's faster fat loss workout. Wait, hang on. You've still got 1 or 2 more rounds left. But before you go, make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe because we release brand new faster fat loss videos each and every week that you do not want to miss. So get back to work, keep training hard, and I'll catch you back here on the next brand new faster fat loss workout. Rob Richards, signing off. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more fat burning and muscle building videos, we've got hundreds of them on this channel and new ones every week. Subscribe now so you don't lose us. Also, we're not just a YouTube channel. We've been making award-winning fat burning and muscle building supplements for almost 15 years. Check out the official Blue Star Nutraceuticals online store and find out how you can improve your results from today's workout.